Hi, this is Ayush. Today we are going to see how we can install eladr backend protocol server on a Linux local machine. For this, first go to eladr GitHub page. Then we just need to follow these given instructions. First, we need to install some essential tools which are required in the installation of a server. Now I just copy and paste this command in a terminal. Now wait for the installation to complete. As you can see, our essential tools are successfully installed. Now next step is to install Ipfs. So I just copy and paste these command in my terminal and wait for it to install. As you can see, now our Ipfs is also installed. Now next step is to install Node.js. To install Node.js, just copy this command and install in our terminal. Okay, our environment is installed. Now it says to restart the terminal, so I just close it, reopen it, and copy the next two commands. With this, you can see our Node.js is successfully installed. Now, next step is to install MySQL. For that, you just copy the given commands and paste it in the terminal. As you can see, MySQL is successfully installed. Now we have to create a user with the password. For that, I just copy this command and paste it in the terminal and grant this user all the privileges. Now next step is to create a database with the name eladr. You can also create database using phpMyAdmin. And next step is to exit from MySQL. Okay, now it's time to set up our server script. For that, you can git clone your fork repository or you can directly take this repository link. Now I type git clone and paste the repository link. It's done. Good. Now copy and paste the next two commands and wait for them to install. Now we are going to create .env file in which all the environment variables are going to be stored. Now we have to copy paste these environment variables. You can change them according to your need. Now exit it. Okay, now it's time to run a server's app script. Copy and paste. As you can see, a server is successfully connected. That means our server is successfully running on our local machine. So that's it, guys. I hope it helped you. Thank you.